I just spent a whole day vlogging at Animal Kingdom, so unfortunately my camera is dead. But I just wanted to go ahead and record this on my phone and give a warning in case it's like a little shaky or whatever, because I saw on Facebook that they do have the Halloween merchandise out at World of Disney. And so of course I just want to get there as soon as possible, because if you can't tell, I'm kind of a little obsessed with Halloween. So yeah, let's go see it. Alright guys, the Halloween stuff is here. Look at the new Spirit jerseys. That's what's on the front of them. And these are... let's see, I don't know how much these are. First we have the pumpkin that lights up. What are these ears? I just don't know the prices of anything. I think those are just plain ears. $25. That's really cute. Oh, so this is a light up sign. Oh. Okay. This is $40. Oh, look at this cute mug. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. It's $25. This Mickey here is $20. Oh, this shirt has little Halloween cupcakes on it. Let's see, I don't see the price. It's $37. Leggings here, $40. Trick or treat bag, popcorn, let's see, he lights up. $25. Oh, look at these cute new mini ears. See, Mickey is $23. Minnie is also $23. Oh my god, they have Haunted Mansion Crocs. I think those were sold out online. I'm not sure. Another trick-or-treat bag. This one is $25. We also have this other Disney shirt for this is $55. And the hoodie is also $55. Oh, look how cute! Has all the treats on the inside of the hood. And a little pumpkin on the front. Here's another trick-or-treat bag. That's cute. This one is $20. Aw. If you have an infant, you get this for them. It's $25. This is $13. How cute! They have like a little tutu and this really glittery shirt. That is super cute. So they have these toys. believe they spin. Whoop. I remember having these like when I was a kid watching Fantasmic. These little light up Mickey pumpkin necklaces. Oh my goodness, look at these kitchen towels. Oh my god, those are adorable. How much are they? $22. So it comes with 2 of them. Ooh, I'm debating on getting that now.
I worked early this morning.
This is this little apron. Oh my gosh, it also has cupcakes on it. It says, what does it say? Sweet spells? Sweet spells and bewitching bites.
Like these things. They're towels.
And I don't see a price tag on it.
And an apron.
They also have these Halloween Crocs. I don't know why. I don't know how much they are though. So this one for kids is $50. And looks like they have the mini reefs here for $45. So that was all of the Halloween merchandise they had out. I feel like normally they have more stuff to choose from, but this is the first day, so hopefully they'll be putting out more. They also had a lot of Haunted Mansion stuff, but it was very hard to social distance. It was super crowded in there, so I just wanted to show the Halloween stuff and then leave. So if you want to see what they have for all the Haunted Mansion merchandise, let me know and I'll come back hopefully in the morning when it's way more quiet and I can get all that for you guys. Also, make sure to look out for my Hollywood Studios vlog coming up very soon because there is a giveaway in that video. Alright, have a good day guys. Bye!